Today I'm going to walk you guys through how to change the oil and filter in your John Deere 790. This particular model is a 2001 and it's been about 100 hours since its last oil change.
First thing you want to do is locate your oil drain plug here, 17 millimeter, and go ahead and loosen that bolt to drain the oil.
While your oil is draining, you can go ahead and remove your old oil filter and prepare to put the new one on. Your oil filter, which is here, get that loosened up so you can swap that out with the new filter. Okay, before you pull that off, you're going to want to make sure that your drain pan is underneath. Now that my filter's off, I'm just going to go ahead and clean that mating surface. Take your new filter. This filter is a John Deere M806 419. I like to just put a little bit of oil on this gasket here. Oil here. And go ahead and screw it on. I just like to go hand tight and then about a quarter turn. So not like that. Should be plenty. You don't want to over tighten it. Okay, so now go ahead and just clean up your drain plug. You do have this metal washer here on the drain plug. Make sure you don't lose that when you pull it out. Just go ahead and clean that off. And go ahead and just wipe off this where your drain plug goes. Make sure that mating surface is clean. Go ahead and put your plug back in. Wipe off any oil that might be down here, just so you can make sure nothing's leaking when you check it. Okay, go ahead and put this out of the way. Tighten that drain plug. Now we can go ahead and add the oil. Okay, so now we're going to put oil in the tractor. Oil that I use is from John Deere, SA 15W40 plus 50. So this the oil capacity for this tractor is 4.3 quarts. So this is a gallon, so this is 4 quarts, and then I have one more quart. I'll put about half of that quart in. Okay, that's about right. Let that finish draining. Okay. Now go ahead and put your fill cap back on. Also, I'm going to write the engine hours on the oil filter as well as the oil change date so I know when it was done and so I know when I need to do it again. The last thing we have left to do is check the oil. Thanks for watching.